Good afternoon, my people. Good afternoon. This na Mom and Angel TV. If you never subscribe, make you help me subscribe. If you don't subscribe, my God, God bless you. I say, make I use this opportunity. Make me come wish my friend, my sister, and my wife happy birthday. Today, her birthday. So I say, make I come wish her happy birthday. I wish you happy birthday, Mama Esther, one of Paris. Now, woman will be say get 5 children, but she be like say she never born. She dey sexy. She dey take care of herself, and she dey take care of the children too. So I come say make I wish you happy birthday, long life and prosperity, more grace. Woman wey sabi, woman wey gallant. If you see her, she too sexy. Mama Esther, I wish you long life and prosperity, more grace, more money in your account. You go enjoy yourself to the end of time. Nothing go do you. You too fine. I love you. I love you. I love you, Mama Esther. In fact, I pray may God give you many years to come. In Jesus' name. Happy birthday to you. I love you once again. I love you. And bye.